Hi and welcome to the section on individual questions. Just to recap, question 1 is compulsory and question 1 is in two parts, part A and part B. Question 1, part A, everybody knows what the question is, but they don't know what the questions are in terms of the image. Part A will be complete a semiotic analysis on the three images provided. And if you remember on the rubric of the examination, which is clear on the first page, i.e. on this website, is you are to take the three images and you are to annotate. I can perhaps show you on a rough piece of paper, this piece of paper. Let's imagine there is a picture. I haven't given you an example of a picture, there is a picture there, honest. Okay? Take a pen and identify the signs on the image. Okay, as no question we're looking at the Pearson signs rather than the other two schools of thought. Right, annotate sign X, sign Y, sign Z, or 1, 2, 3, 4 if you want to. Looking at fonts, looking at colours, looking at images. And clearly identify the type of signs, be they icons, indexes rather, or symbols. And then, in the examination booklet in part A of question 1, clearly identify why in a rationale, in the paper in a written form, why you believe A, what the object is, obviously, B, what the signs are, and C, what the interpretant meaning is. So you've got object, signs, what type of signs, and what it means to you. And be confident the meaning is what it means to you, not what you think I might make of it, what you make of it. There is no right answer, there is no wrong answer, it is the way you interpret the meaning of the image. I apologise, my chair is squeaking again, I will have to buy a new one. Okay, part B. It's not going to be the same as previous papers, obviously. However, it's asking you to write an essay within the context of semiotics, because obviously semiotics is very important as it looks at the way we interpret images, the way we interpret signs, and the way we look at the world. And obviously advertising and communication, increasingly online communication, is all about interpretation and cross-cultural interpretation. So you might be looking at different schools of thought of semiotics and looking at the three major schools we're looking at. I won't say who they are, but you can work that out. Do some reading, and I want you to write to me in the half an hour, I suggest you take half an hour, an essay on critically evaluating the three major schools of semiotics as they are from you and your research. Okay, so question 1 is compulsory. Do it first. Allocate an hour to it. First part is complete a semiotic analysis on the three images provided, and the images are going to be, as you all know, they're going to be related to an event company, related to a consumer company, consumer good, and thirdly to a tourism type image. Okay, that noise in the background you can hear is my grandson. Bad day to do the images. Okay, so question 1, have a go. It should be challenging but hopefully fun. Thank you. Oh, just remembered, I said before that should you produce a semiotic analysis of any image and wish to discuss it with Hilary or I, we're more than happy to look at what you've thought of and what you've done and whether you're actually on the right track. So feel free to take advantage of that. Okay, any questions, obviously ask.